Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel Ritch and Lux. So today is an exciting day. I am unboxing Fendi items. As you probably have watched my previous video, I had a virtual shopping vlog in Hawaii with my husband when he went there, and he got me this very nice, very luxurious peekaboo at Fendi, but unfortunately I didn't really like it. It was not in my wish list, and I said before I never am gonna buy a peekaboo, but he bought me one. I wanted him to buy the nano baguette. So when he came back from Hawaii and asked him, so where's my purse? So when he got up and showed me the bag, well actually it was not a bag, he just gave me a big box. I said, why is this so big? I still didn't get it. Like, why is the box so big? Oh, that's the box that the guy gave me. So I still didn't, it was still not processing. I was still kind of like, okay, excited to open my mini baguette. And then next thing you know, he hands me a big bag, a shopping bag. It's like, why did he give you all these big bags and big shopping bags and boxes? You just got the small purse. Oh baby, he wants to play with me. So he said, well, open it. So I opened it, and I don't know if he saw the disappointment in my face, because I was so excited to get the nano baguette because it's been in my mind for like, I don't know, 5-6 months. I always go, check the website, check Farfetch, Net-a-Porter, looking for this nano baguette, but he got me the peekaboo instead. So I was really disappointed, and I think he was upset about that he was actually talking to my daughter and saying that, I wasn't kind of appreciative of what he got me. But my thing was, I texted him, I said, don't get the expensive bag, just get the small one because I'm saving up for a Chanel bag. So I mean, he just wanted to surprise me maybe. So yeah, but unfortunately it was really lovely. I like it a lot, but it was kind of like a duplicate of my Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So I said, I'm just starting my collection. I just started last year, and I don't want to be duplicating items right now. I want to have a variety of purses, colors, and silhouettes, so, and it's pretty pricey bag. It was, I think here in the mainland it's $4,200, but in Hawaii he got it for only $3,900, so plus the tax savings. So he got it really in a really good price. But yeah, unfortunately we had to return it, and this is what I got. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox these things with you and see what I got instead of the peekaboo. I just had to pay a little bit more money because of course the tax here is higher, and I did get 2 items off of that mini bag, exchange. So I think that was a good thing. So without further ado, no more chatty, let me open one of the boxes. Let's go with the smaller box first. Okay, so this is one of the items I exchanged the peekaboo for. I don't know if you can tell, it is a shoebox. So ta-da! I've also been eyeing on this one for a long time, and thanks to my husband, because he got me kind of like shopping money for the exchange of the bag, and this is what I got. It's the Fendi Flats Colibri, I believe. This is like I don't know how many seasons ago was this, but yeah, I got this one. It's very nice, and it's actually like a mesh type. That size 37.5. So this is the other item that I got in exchange for the peekaboo. This is really nice, and it comes with, of course, 2 dust bags, and what is this? I think this is the receipt, or I don't know, just like care cards. And there's all paper tissue and the other pair here. So I love that it is a nude color. It is very neutral, and it's very comfortable. Really nice, right? Alright, so moving on with the bigger box. For sure, it is a purse. Let us see. So it is a pretty big box, and here it is. Ta-da! He gave me another dust bag actually, which is very nice of her. Oh, that's another dust bag. Wow. So guys, I want to tell you, this purse and the service I got from Fendi is superb. I mean, I just was like the first time I've experienced luxury shopping, really, like being cared for, and you know, unlike my experiences with Louis Vuitton, it's just kind of like, you know, lining up in a long line, even if you have an appointment, and then I feel like very rushed every time I go to the store. Like I can't really enjoy the shopping experience because I don't know, maybe because of the pandemic, or maybe because there's just a lot of people going for Louis Vuitton, and the luxury experience kind of diminishes that way, I guess. But anyways, here it is, guys. This is the one I've exchanged it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me post this. Yeah, I've been liking this for a long time, since last year, but I got the newer version, which is ta-da, 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 is a new shopper tote Fendi Sunshine This is the Sunshine Shopper Tote. This is, I think, the newest release this season, and it is so gorgeous, guys. It's just so creamy and white, and just really, this is really very luxurious tote. And what I like about this is it is tone on tone right here. So it's subtle, because the other Sunshine tote that I've been looking is a little bit of a gray embossing here. But I like this because of that, and then also it has this gold studs here. And then guys, the hardware is really, really luxurious. And the handle looks like ivory. It's really luxury at its best. So this is a lot of white leather here, and I don't know, it's kind of scary to wear it, but you know, I wear my purse as it is, my bags, and it is going to be my travel tote. I know I'm still not traveling, but I'm so glad I have this. It's been in my mind since October of last year when I saw the other version of this. So this came out, I believe, a couple of months ago, and this is so much more luxurious. It's a little bit more expensive than the regular Sunshine tote, but guys, the craftsmanship though. And the good thing about this, unlike the Dior book tote, is that it has its very nice strap. Here you go, guys. Isn't that stunningly luxurious, right? It's really pretty. Look, guys. It's so immaculate. I love this. I know it's white, but it looks like it's easy to clean. Smooth leather. Only thing though is, I'm not sure why it doesn't have feet. You know, I have the little mini shopper tote, and that has feet. So I don't know why they didn't put feet on this. It would have been much better. Oh, I didn't see this. Oh no, it has a little bit of a stain mark. But anyways, I love it. This was the only piece that they have in store. I got it at the South Coast Plaza, and the inside too is so luxurious. I don't know if this is microfiber or if it's suede. I think it feels like it's suede. Let's check. And then the inside is also leather on here, that white part there. And oh my god, I just love this so much. It's like so much more elevated than the On The Go, I believe. It's not as popular, so that's why I like it. And I know it's so white, but I love white. And as you can see, at that little mark there already. And mind you guys, as I've said in my previous video, Fendi doesn't refund. Doesn't give full refund, and you can only either exchange it in store or get store credit. So that's why I had shopping money because my husband bought me that Peekabo. But yeah, so I'm much happier. I told him thank you for buying the other one, because otherwise I won't be able to buy this. if he didn't buy that and then exchange it for this. So I'm happy. The only thing is, yeah, I just saw this little mark there and I can't return this anymore or exchange, because once you exchange, they won't let you anymore. So just to let you know, this is final sale because I've already exchanged it with the Peekabo earlier. So just to let you know, I don't like their return policy. I don't know why it's like that, but maybe it's also to protect their brand. But I think when you buy online though, you can return, but if it's in store, you can only exchange it within 14 days or get store credit. And then the second time around, it's considered final sale. So I won't be able to exchange this because this is the only one they have at the store. I'm happy still because that's the bottom part. So this is the thing with the feet. So they should have feet in here, especially that it's white. So yes, guys, this is my new tote. So I've been trying to do more curated pieces to where I don't duplicate. I needed a work tote, which I already got. So this is gonna be more of my travel tote. I don't know how it's gonna fare with, you know, traveling, putting this on the bottom of my seat. No, I'm gonna put it on my lap. But anyways, yeah, the only also difference that I can see from compared to my other mini one, the mini shopper tote, is this one side here. It's more of like glaze though, whereas the other one is like sewn in and covered with leather. So I don't know about the glazing part. I hope that doesn't give me an issue. But yes, it's so pretty. And you can even have an option to change this strap. They have like guitar straps also, and you can also do that. And yes, guys, this is just so gorgeous in person. And I don't know if it's the camera is capturing it, I don't know. But yeah, so there's no pockets inside or anything. I might really need organizer for this, maybe like the one with the zipper, so it doesn't, you know, will be good for travel. Okay guys, I am so happy. I love my husband. If not for his Peekabo boo-boo, I wouldn't have gotten this. And I've been thinking about this since I would say October of last year, but the other one, but this one came out and this is even better. So yes guys, that's it. So if you want to do or see more unboxings, please support my channel. If you've been following me or watching my videos, I've just recently started my luxury collection June of last year, and so far I've been slowly building my collection to where I get or buy the ones that I really need, not any duplicates or anything. So yeah, so maybe at the end of this year I'm gonna do another collection video, update it, and yeah, so I'm almost there. I just need maybe a bucket bag, a messenger bag, or maybe a backpack or a luggage bag. So we'll see, because I'm just trying to curate my collection up to 12 bags right now. So far I have the things that I need and I'm happy with it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you can subscribe. So if you wanna support me, please do so. Click that notification bell also, and subscribe, share it, and comment below. So yes, if you have any questions about this bag, I know I didn't do any much you know, sizing and all. I can probably do that on a first impression type of video or what's in my bag type of video next time. All right, thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.